How to fix Android phone touchscreen not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Android phone touchscreen not working problem. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. To fix an unresponsive Android touchscreen, start with simple steps. First, clean your screen. Wipe with a cloth, microfiber cloth, to remove dirt, oil or any moisture. After you've done that, remove your case and your protector. A damaged or ill-fitting screen protector can be the cause of your touchscreen problem. After that, charge your phone. Ensure your phone isn't just on low battery while it charges. So just charge your phone, make sure it's fully charged. Then hold the power button and the volume up button for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone reboots. If you see a restart button, you can just tap on the restart button as well if there is a slight responsiveness from your device. After you've done that, after it restarts, if your touchscreen is working, you can then move ahead and just boot it in a safe mode. You can uninstall recent apps. So sometimes you might have just installed some corrupted apps or APK files, which can uninstall. Just go to your Google settings. On your settings, go to apps, find the app that you downloaded, and then delete it. So let's see all apps. And from here, find the app that might be causing the issue. So let's say it's just this app right here, Duolingo. This is just an example. Open it up, tap on the uninstall button and uninstall your app. After that, you will need to go to your settings again, scroll down, then find the system option, tap on it, and there you'll find system updates. Tap on it and install any pending Android or app updates. After you've done that, if nothing works, if it still does not work, you might need to have a professional repair for your screen. If the screen is cracked or touch still fails after reset, this is likely a hardware problem, so you will be required to visit a service center. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.